for you the Solo Salsa Beginners Week 4 on our course, but it was the Solo Routine 3. So this is Beginners Solo Salsa Routine 3. Here we go. We start with the basic, which is our Mambo. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Then we added a V Mambo, 1 to each corner. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Then we added a Susie Q on our left foot. 1, 2, 3. A cross inside basic on our right foot. 5, 6, 7. We did a half right and then half left turn. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Let's just do those few bars a couple of times and then I'll move on and show you the second half. Mambo first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Susie Q, out and cross, turn to the right and turn to the left. That's the first half. Now let's move on. The next bar, Mambo taps. We're going to do it on the left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do the Cuban tap, walk around. I step to the front and start to turn my body, tap my right foot nice and close. I step towards the back, more to the center where I was before, and tap. I then walk around again, another quarter turn, and tap. I look to the front, step, and tap. So I'm essentially doing a quarter turn and tap, another quarter turn and tap, a quarter turn and tap, and a quarter turn and tap. With the count, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now a standard left turn. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. I'll do that a little bit closer because I went off the camera. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Then we had a cumbia left and right, that's crossing behind. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And then a standard right turn. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So let's just do that second section, the second half. Remember, I broke it down a lot slower in the class, so this is just a recap. If you hadn't joined me in a class to learn this and you're just looking at this through one of my video libraries, please do play it back a few more times because obviously this is just a short recap. So from the Mambo taps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And left turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and open. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Right turn, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Now let me put the whole thing together from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. V Mambo now. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Susie Q, out and cross. Half to the right, half to the left. Tap, 2, 3, walk it round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left turn. 1, 2, 3, 5. Cumbia open. 1, 2, 3, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So that's our Beginners Solo Salsa Routine 3 that we learnt in the Beginners 4-week online course. Thank you so much. Hopefully see you in the next video.